Hi guys. So basically, someone asked me this question. Bamboos is like, how can a car owner increase the resale value of his car? Right? That's a very important question. Well, as you know, cars they depreciate with time. Right? You can buy a brand new car, for example, in Toyota or motor cars, or even here in used car. You can buy used car in Nakawa. But once you get it out and start driving it, when it hits the roads of Kampala, it begins depreciating. If you bought it like 20M, they won't give you 20M, they'll give you like 18M in case you're selling it after 1 day or 2 days, right? So it's very important to know how to increase the resale value of your car, because cars keep on depreciating with time. So the number one tip for increasing the resale value of your car is that you have to do periodic maintenance. That's very, very important, right? Periodic maintenance is just changing your oil, the transmission fluid, uh, checking the battery, those basics, checking the tire treads, right? And also doing tire rotation. So those are the basics. So doing periodic maintenance will greatly improve the resale value of your car, because actually it will also help to keep your car in good working condition. We won't have any issues on the road, because you normally know what's going on with your car, right? Yeah. Then the other thing is there's what they call car detailing. Yeah, detailing is doing a waxing on your car. Like, they wash your car. After washing your car, they have to polish it with some chemicals to give it that brand new look, right? Actually, they do some fabbing. They call it buffing. Buffing, yeah, it's called buffing. So they do some buffing of your car with machines, so that they give it that brand new look, like it's a new car, right? So maybe after like 6 months, you can go for car detailing, right? So it will give your car a brand new look, to appear as if it's a new car, yet it's an old car. So that will help you increase your sale value also. So they can also check on the wheels, the car wheels, so they give them that brand new shine of your car wheels. And then the car tires, they can give a polish on your car tires, right, to make them look good. So basically, those are the two things that can help you to increase the resale value of your car. One is doing periodic maintenance. That's very, very important. Then the number two is giving your car some detailing. Yeah, car detailing. You can do it every after 6 months or every after 4 months, right? So those are the two basic things. Those are just basic things. They are not complicated. So that thing, it will help you to increase the resale value of your car. If you don't do those things, then trust me, the buyer will have more leverage on you if you don't do those two things. But if you do these two things, you, the seller, when it comes to selling your car, you will have more leverage than the buyer. But if it's the reverse and you don't do periodic maintenance and also take care of your car by doing some detailing, trust me, you'll get extremely less for what your car is supposed to be worth. Yeah.